In the SMT world, there are multiple steps in the assembly process that a batch needs to go through. It is significant to implement certain timeframe controls between line equipment, as it plays a fundamental role to ensure quality output. In addition, an effective process time control is able to detect any issue at an early stage and trigger violations to prevent further quality excursions of equipment processing. Therefore, how can we ensure that process time monitoring is implemented in each equipment step to maintain high reliability? And is it also possible for engineers to pause the entire process at times of violation? This could be achieved with effective machine-to-machine communication where data collected can influence actions for upstream or downstream equipment throughout the entire SMT line. For time monitoring and control, you will have equipment self-monitoring capability on each process unit in the equipment based on 4 key steps. Collect and calculate the process time data. Detect the violation. Stop the selected process. Fix the immediate condition. Through machine-to-machine communication capabilities, the equipment in the SMT line will calculate the timeframe needed for the assembly process on the printed circuit board. This means processes will be put on hold if the time control settings are not met. The solution guarantees material validity for time-sensitive processes, and it also supports different setting combinations as well as multiple validation checks throughout your entire assembly line. Gain total process time control over your production line to increase production quality. Choose the right SMT solution that allows you to have a smooth running operation line through effective machine-to-machine communications and control. Want to learn more? Let's get in touch. Visit camline.com. Work smarter, achieve more.